Are joint problems hurting you? Do you have a painful condition or an acute injury or a chronic illness? Looking for a therapy that really works? BiomagScience has the perfect solution for you.
Whether you're suffering from backache, knee pain, arthritis, migraines, fibromyalgia, lupus, or even extreme hypersensitivity to EMF or chemicals, BiomagScience magnetic therapies are a safe, easy, and the most effective method for achieving pain relief naturally. Our proven therapies simply amplify the body's own healing power to support pain relief and speedy recovery with remarkable, miracle-like results. 35 years of research and development of producing simple-to-use, advanced protocols to help resolve over 180 painful, acute, and chronic conditions. BiomagScience protocols are used by individuals and practitioners all around the globe. Used daily as supplemental energy, more oxygen and nutrition is delivered to the body for greater physical and mental vigor while leaving a calming and relaxing effect on the body.
BiomagScience. Instant pain relief and rapid healing. Review our health conditions and testimonials to see the amazing results. Then get our comprehensive wellness kit to take care of pain, healing, and increased vitality. Not sure what to get? Go to the quick reference guide above this video to see what you need. Best of health.